When you start your business, the first thing you're going to need to do is get that business banking account. So, if we haven't met before, my name is Heidi Muma. I'm one of the co-founders here inside Truth Bomb Academy, where we are helping women to realize more profit in their business as they're creating more time for the things that are most important to them. So if you have started a business, or if you're actually looking for other ways to make another income, you want to check out Katrina's video that she did last week on the 5 ways that you can make money online. It's fantastic, gives you some great advice, ideas, and just I love having the different ways you can have one business, but have different ideas of how to create money inside of that business. So you want to check out that video. But when we do have the money coming in, or even before we have the money coming in, we want to set up that business bank account, right? So, like most people, when I first opened up my business, I went down to my local bank where I had my personal accounts and talked to them about a business banking account. And well, first of all, I was like shocked. I was like, oh, wait a minute. There's a minimum balance. And if I don't have that minimum balance, then there's all these fees associated with it. Sometimes even if you do have the minimum balance, depending on what kind of account you get, there's fees associated with it. I was like, whoa, whoa, whoa. I was like, how expensive is it going to be to have this business bank account? So as years went on, for a long time, those were your only options. But RelayFi, they actually opened up in 2018, and now they are like everybody's talking about them. They are a fantastic online bank, and I'm going to share with you some of my favorite things about Relay Financial. Now, RelayFi, it is a banking system. They're partnered with Thread Bank, which is the bigger bank, which you are going to get all the FDIC insurance and the zero liability with your Visa debit cards. So I'm going to share my screen, and I'm going to show you my favorite things about RelayFi and why we choose to use them, and just recommend them to almost everybody. Five is a business checking account built for business owners. This is built for startups. This is built for businesses that have been established. There's no minimum balances, and favorite thing, there's no fees. And guess what? You can have up to 20 checking accounts and 2 savings accounts with no fees. How fantastic is that? So, and like I said, they are FDIC up to 2.5 million via Thread Bank. So they are partnered with Thread Bank. And the Visa has a zero liability protection. But so like I say, you can have up to 50 debit cards, which is fantastic, because if you have a team you're working with, if you have employees that need that debit card to make purchases, you can have them virtual or you can have them physical. And you can also set up limits on all of them. You can also require them, they upload receipts. They have a receipt management system also. It's with HubDoc. And so that is all super cool for as you are building your business, things to keep in mind, things that you're going to need. And it also has the convenience of a mobile app, which is just as easy to use as the desktop version of it. And so you can see here, you can have multiple accounts. And it's not like a regular bank where if you want to open up another account, you also have another minimum balance and you have to go and fill out all kinds of paperwork. Nope, it's just a press of a button, open another account. And you can name it whatever you want so that you can create that cash management system, especially if you're if you're implementing the Profit First system. Relay is actually the official banking platform for the Profit First system. And because they love all these open accounts, right? You can instantly set them up, and there's auto transfers that you can set up also. So you can see here, like I said, just add an account. It's as simple as that. Add an account. And also here you can set up percentages so that however regularity you want to do, whether it's once a month, twice a month, you can have all the money that comes into your income account dispersed to your other accounts. And so that's all automatic. And ladies, when we can set up something automatic and set it up and forget it, kudos. I love it. And also you can link right with a certified Profit First professional. And also Relay, when it first came out, it was built for accountants and bookkeepers. So you know what that means. The integrations with Relay are seamless. The bank feeds don't break. So when you're setting up your QuickBooks or your Xero, those are the two that are the major ones that they're partnered with, that they integrate with. There are ways to set up other ones. It might be another step or two, but that you can create those integrations also. But with QuickBooks and Zeros, it's a simple integration and the bank feeds don't. If you've ever worked with it in QuickBooks or Zero and the bank feeds break, you know what a mess it is to then get that set back up. It's just time consuming. So that is something that they have been really good about making that integration seamless. But also I love this. It is a powerful, robust system. The two savings accounts that you also can get, their API right now at the time of this recording is 1 to 3%. And so that's really good. Wire transfers are the cheapest that I've ever seen. I think it's $10 for international transfer, and I believe it's $5 for domestic transfers. I don't know if you've wire transferred money before, but that is around the cheapest I've ever seen. And they do have receipt collection and storage. So if you do have other people using the debit cards or using the accounts, you can collect those receipts automatically. And so those are some of the simple things that I really love. And also, if you are an accountant or bookkeeper, they do have this whole, for legal purposes, you don't have to sign into your client's accounts. You actually have your own login that gives you the permissions that your client gives you to access their account so that you can download everything that you need. And you can see all the information that for each transaction that you will need to see to know what the transaction was for. And so that's why I said this was built for accountants and bookkeepers. So here they talk about how you can easily decipher all spending. So when it comes to reconciling your bank, when it comes to entering all the transactions, they give you all the information you need for each one. You don't have to waste time decoding what your team members are purchasing. And plus they do capture the store receipts, and so that you can make bookkeeping a breeze. And keeping track of the ins and outs, you see comprehensive data for the things that are coming in and things that are coming out, including images of deposited checks and their memos. So that is super cool. And speedier bookkeeping, like I said, the integrations with QuickBooks and Xero are seamless. And also, it does integrate with payroll, with Gusto and ADH, and it uses Plaid or Yodlee to securely link with Relay and other apps like Wave, FreshBooks, Expensify, and Venmo. So all those things you can integrate, and it's super. So like I said, they have really created this robust system. Anytime that you can cut down on your bookkeeper's work, that's going to save you money. So you want a system that makes things more automated and also less times that your bookkeeper has to get back to you and ask questions because all the information is right there. So I love that. And also with all of the debit cards, you can put those out with the limitations and the spending limits, the daily, the monthly. And so those are the ways that you can control the money, the spending in your system. And I love that it integrate, or not the integrates, I love that the whole cash management system is built right into this. And so there's no guesswork. There's no, I have to do all the calculations each month. No, it's all done for you. Anytime we can automate something, we love it, right? And here inside Truth Bomb Academy, we are helping women to implement that profit first system into their business so that they are paying themselves appropriately, they're pricing their products appropriately, because women, I know we like to give things away, we like to do things for free, we like to help everybody out, but when you're running a business, you actually need to price your products according to what they're worth, not always what we feel they're worth, because we don't want to be too expensive, right? But here inside Truth Bomb Academy, women are realizing the business of their dreams. They're realizing how they can create that business and also create more time and money in their business, in their lives, without the overwhelm, without the burnout, because we're actually learning how to create our business around our natural cycle, the cycle that you are as a woman, because there is a 24-hour day, and guess what? There's another clock. It's called the 28th day. And learning how to build your business around your natural cycle is a game changer. It's creating the business that you're passionate about, not something that's drudgery to do. And it's like, oh, I just need to do this because I'm going to create the income. No, we want to be passionate about it, because when you're passionate about it and when you learn how to create that business around your cycle, it's a game changer. Magic happens in your business and your life. So let's see you inside the academy.